Hi guys, today we want to learn ABC animals. Oh, who are you?
I am fine. You are you.
Oh, I am Faqehah. You want to learn ABC animals?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. A for
alligator.
B for
Bear.
C for
Crab.
D for
Dolphin.
E for
Elephant.
F for
Flamingo.
G for
Goldfish.
H for
Hippopotamus.
I for
Iguana.
J for
Jellyfish.
K for
Koala.
L for
Ladybird.
M for
Monkey.
N for
Newt.
O for
Owl.
P for
Penguins.
Q for
Quail.
R for
Rabbit.
S for
Snake.
T for
Koala.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Violet.
W for
Whale.
X for
X-ray.
Y for
Yak.
Z for
Zebra.
okay, good job. Okay, thank you for watching the video.
Bye.